Ever wondered how to get your hard-earned PayPal cash directly into your bank account with ease and speed? Today, we're diving into exactly that using Xoom, a PayPal service. First things first, head over to the Xoom website. You'll want to log in using your PayPal account details. This connects your PayPal securely to Xoom, making the fund transfer straightforward. Once you're logged in, select the country where you want to send the money, a circumflex euros. This is the country where your bank account is located then. Choose the destination country as the same place. Next, you'll enter the amount you wish to transfer from your PayPal balance. Xoom will clearly show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees right on the screen, so you know exactly what you're sending and what it will cost. For funding your transfer, select PayPal as your payment method. This is where your PayPal balance comes into play, allowing you to use those funds directly for the Xoom transaction. Now, it's time to input your bank account details. You'll need to provide the bank name, your account number, and the relevant routing number for your bank. Double-check these for accuracy. Before you finalize, Xoom will present a summary of your transaction. This includes the total amount being sent, the fees, and importantly, the estimated time for the money to reach your bank account. Most transfers can be completed within minutes to a few business days. Confirm the details, and with a click, your money is on its way from PayPal to your bank account. Via Xoom, it's a secure and convenient way to manage your finances online.